Hello friends, how is everyone doing? I hope you are all doing very well. If you get scammed or deceived while buying crypto from Binance peer-to-peer, how do you make a proper appeal? How can you get your crypto back through the appeal process? In today's video, I will show you in a very simple way how to appeal on Binance P2P and how to get your dollars back through an appeal. I request you to watch the video till the end. Okay, so if any of your orders get cancelled on the Binance peer-to-peer platform and you want to appeal, the very first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. Then first of all, pakai mob potira. When all is said and done and we look back at the choices that were made here today, it will be you and only you who must bear the full and complete responsibility for the entire outcome of this critically important endeavor. Here you have the final report that you have been waiting for. From this main section, you will be able to access and carefully review all of the important details that are directly related to your recent order. This includes a comprehensive summary, the current status of the shipment, and a complete list of all the items that are part of this specific transaction. Alright, moving on to the next step. Your screen will now display a new page specifically for handling your report. On this page, we need to find and select the reason for the report. Please take a moment to carefully examine the options presented to you. You are looking for a clickable field or button that is explicitly labeled with the words Select Report Reason. Finding and clicking this is essential as it will open up the list of specific reasons you can choose from. So once you have located the Select Report Reason element, please go ahead and click on it to proceed. On this page, you will find a specific option designed for situations where you've paid for an order that was subsequently cancelled. You will need to look for the text that clearly states, I paid, but the order has been cancelled. Once you have located this option, please go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking on Appeal, the screen will update to show you a description section and a plus symbol. This is the specific area where you will need to add all the necessary details for your case. In the description, you have to write in detail that you paid the money, but based on our current information, it appears the cryptocurrency transfer intended for you has not been successfully processed and delivered. Although the transaction may have been initiated, we can confirm that the digital assets in question have not yet arrived in or been credited to your designated wallet. To begin the process of checking on your submission, the first step you will need to take is to click on this specific link that is provided for you on the screen. Once you have done that, you will be granted access to a page that allows you to see the most current and up-to-date status of your formal appeal. In addition to that, if you direct your attention to this area right here, the system will also present you with a comprehensive and detailed breakdown of the review that was conducted as part of your appeal process.